Okay, for 61, they want us to calculate the value of x. So let's first find this one, y. I know there's quicker ways, but let's do that. So 38 plus 90 plus y equals 180. So this is 128 plus y equals 180. We subtract 128 from both sides and we get y equals 52. So now we know that x plus y equals 180, right? So x plus 52 equals 180. So x equals 128 degrees, right? X is 128 degrees. And for b, they want us to calculate x. So if we look at this, we know that since those lines are parallel, then this is also 82, right? So that means that x plus 82 is 180 degrees. We subtract 82, and we get x equals 98 degrees for that one.